Oh, get it, Jacob, get it. I'm gonna get it for you. I'm gonna get it for you. I'm gonna get it for you. Oh no! Kick it.
Do you have the ball?
Uh-oh.
Boing. You better come here.
Where's Jacob? I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna tickle him.
Where did Emma go?
I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna tickle him. Where could Jacob be?
Did she scare you? He jumped, didn't he? What's on your face, dude?
Well, I almost got his eye.
Hey, Jacob, did you get a bubble on your face? She gonna get you with the bubbles.
He just walked right through it.
Is that so funny? He keeps trying to pick him up. Oh, you almost got it. Are you dancing now? Oh, get down, buddy. Oh, look at him dance. Go ahead, Jacob. Break it down, baby. Yeah, there he goes. That's his sign for bubbles, I think. He does it every time.
You can dance? I'll talk with your ear.
I think we're going to have to take some of these to Houston with us, don't you think?
Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Oh, yeah, buddy. You getting down.
He goes,
Don't touch. You dance.